Hi all, I am Manasa. I am taking computer for you. So we'll start with the important chapter input in Java. Already you have studied this chapter in ninth standard. First, mainly there are three different ways of input in Java. First one, function argument. Second one, input stream reader class. Third one, scanner class. Now we'll continue with the first method, function argument. So what do you mean by function argument? And how we can able to write the main method and what is the syntax for that? Public, static, void, main of, string, arguments of. Execution always starts from the main method. Now, what is public? Public is the keyword and static is the keyword. At the same time, it is the access specifier. And void is the return type and main is the method name or function name that is already predefined by the compiler. Now, string is the type of data type. At the same time, it is the type of class, means predefined class. So now what is function argument and in which area we can able to give the function? The first area is inside the main method. This keywords I already explained, and if you have any doubt you can go through this once again. So this is a sample example for function argument. Here the class name is input. Inside the main method, instead of string arguments, they use here int a, int b, int c. If you are giving an argument, inside this brackets are termed as arguments. These arguments are also called as parameters. So this type of arguments in the main methods comes under function arguments. See the next line, z is equal to a plus b plus c. Then calculate what are the values will be there in a, b, c, and that value will be stored in the z. With the help of system.out.println, the answer will be displayed in the terminal window. Now a question will arise in your mind, from where we will get the value a, b and c. So that I'll show you in the BlueJ interface. So this is that sample code. So we can try this here. They have already declared three arguments here, int a, int b and int c, used in the main method, and clearly you have to understand this concept. Now compile this here and no syntax error, close this. Right click here, you can see the second option, void main, and click this. So you can see the method called window will be with two curly brackets. In this will give some arguments and values will be initialized at the time of execution. Now what is the use of this purpose? Means each time of execution we can able to change the values. Now I'll give the values as 4, 5, 6. Then I'll click OK. So you can see the answer z is equal to 15. So this is the first method to enter the data value, that is function argument. Thank you.